Subscribe to AAN Creation and press the bell icon for latest videos.
Welcome again, friends. On Windows 10, you've been able to change the mouse pointer style and size for a long time, but the option to use a different color was limited. Starting with Windows 10 version 1903, the Settings app is getting updated to include new options to customize the pointer with any color you feel is appropriate. In this video, you'll learn the step to change the mouse pointer color with the settings available with the first major update of 2019 for Windows 10. To use the mouse pointer with a custom color on Windows 10, use these steps. First, open Settings and click on Ease of Access. Next, click on Cursor and Pointer. Under the Change Pointer Color section, click the button with the color wheel. Next, select one of the suggested colors or click the Pick a Custom Pointer Color option to create a custom color. Once you've completed the steps, the mouse pointer will use the color you specified.